Good morning, everybody. It is meteorologist Agent Weather Forecast. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're talking about another possible snow maker for parts of the Northwest. It won't bring us much snow for Idaho, Washington. It'll be more of a Nevada, Utah storm. So we got to keep a close eye on this because it still has time to change. This is actually the This is actually the next 6 hours. You can see in the next 6 hours already snow parts of Idaho. So we've really got to keep a close eye on that. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas break. Next 12 hours, the snow starts to disappear. 18 hours, which is Sunday night. And then once it gets back to Sunday or into Monday morning, the snow starts to appear in parts of Washington. Like you can see just there in Washington, northern state of Washington. So that could change. So we must keep an eye on it. And then the next 48 hours, which is actually Monday, it is not really anywhere. And then boom, in 54 hours, it is in, no, I do not want that. In 54 hours, it is in parts of Oregon, California, Nevada. Yeah, and maybe some snow there going to the northern parts of Idaho and Washington. So yeah, it will be more of a Nevada storm. Next 60 hours, you can see how almost all of Nevada is under snow. Just northeast of Las Vegas. Look at that, guys. That's some snow there in parts of Nevada. That's, like I said, more snow in Nevada. So yeah, it goes all the way from Idaho to parts of it goes all the way from parts of Idaho to or Montana all the way to Nevada. So you must keep an eye on this because it might even go more south. So yeah, we must keep an eye on that. Next 66 hours, it starts to taper off. Maybe some scattered snowstorms in parts of Idaho, Montana right there, some there in Nevada, going to Utah right there. So yeah, some scattered snowstorms after that. 72 hours, looks like there's another pressure coming in, which is bringing more snow for southern part of Oregon. Northern Washington getting snow again. So yeah, we need to be careful with Washington because they've been getting hit pretty hard with storms. 78 hours, which is Tuesday. There's still snow parts of Idaho, so it looks like a lot of snow for them. So northern Idaho can get a lot of snow out of this. 84 hours, it stays there, and then it starts to move a little more to Montana. You can see, it's more into Montana. Like the other one wasn't more into Montana. So yeah, look, it's all the way there. So yeah, it's more parts of Montana than last time. So Montana can get some snow. Yeah, and then it starts to go away. So yeah, let me check. Actually, snowfall. The next 6 hours, parts of Washington can actually get already about 5 inches of snow, up to 7 in this area. The local heavier amounts in the higher elevations. 12 hours, you can see, or let me go to 18 hours. 18 hours, you can see some parts of Washington can get up to 9 inches in that little purple area. It's kind of hard to circle. Then it starts to move in parts of California. Gets parts in California. And then it starts to move a little more. The heavier amounts start to go in southern Washington state instead of just north. The snow starts to get heavy in parts of Montana, heavier than the last storm because it didn't really go there last time. So yeah, look at the 24 hours. 24 hours not really changed. Then when that other storm comes, you can see in the next 54 hours when that other storm comes, it will bring a lot more snow in northern Washington. And that area that's actually up to 17 inches of snow. It gets really heavy in the higher elevations of California. Quite heavy for parts of Oregon there. Maybe 4 inches. Montana, still not as much snow yet, but that is the more snow will come. So, and then it starts to gets really heavy then in parts of, let me just get this mouse to work. Gets really heavy in parts of southern Oregon, which didn't get as much snow from last time. If you go there in that little white spot there, that's up to 29 inches of snow to 40. And you see it gets really heavy there in parts of Idaho. Like I said, Montana will get more heavy snow as it goes on to Tuesday. Snow, Utah, really heavy snow there for parts of the mountains. So yeah, Nevada will get more snow out of the storm, but not as much. Oh, no, why is this? No. So yeah, then 102 hours, it starts to get even heavier in Montana, even heavier in Utah, almost a foot, but not quite. Oh no, yes, that is a foot. Sorry, I was talking about this purple right here. 9 inches maybe. And then you can see in this area, really most northern state parts of the state, Montana, Idaho, Washington, almost the Canada border can get up to 9 inches, and then it just goes off. So yeah, the storm it can last long compared to last time. 72 hours, you can see how it goes from up to 4 inches there, 2 inches there, and then we keep those circles there. And then we go, look how much that changed. A lot, right? Look at that, how much it changed. So yeah, I really got to keep a close eye on this, guys. Let me actually go to the National Weather Service, see if they've added any in the refresher page. So there's no currently any, let me move something right here. There's no like winter storm watches, advisories for the areas that should have right now. I guess because they probably won't put it to like maybe Saturday or tonight because there's some snow going tonight or tonight, but it will be light. But then the other storm comes for Monday, which will be really heavy. But they have like 4 counties in California which have a winter storm watch. It is right here. Winter storm watch is right there in parts of northern California. So yeah, that's the only winter storm watch in the whole country right now. Oh, that was bad. This mouse won't let me circle it like I want. Yeah, there we go. Only winter storm watch in the whole country. So they should put tonight maybe some winter storm warnings for parts of here, and I'll put winter storm watches to this line. No getting past that. Let me just draw a circle. Yeah, this is probably the only area I'll be getting windstorm in this line right here. If you are more east, south, or west of it, you're not really, I don't think you will have as much snow. If you're in this little circle right here, a little circle, I think you get maybe the heavier amounts. Let me actually move that circle to heavier amounts all the way down here, yeah, because southern Idaho can get a lot. And then another line here with heavier amounts, parts of the mountains. So yeah, I'm kind of surprised they only have watches for northern counties of California, but that should change. Let me go exactly to the west just to show you guys what it looks like. Same things, really heavy rain, snow for parts of Nevada, The heavier amounts are in this little circle right here. The darkest blue, some snow there for parts of Idaho. So yeah, it's basically the same thing, but just a little closer. And then the other band. So this is the snowstorm that's tonight, not as heavy. That's why they don't have warnings or anything. And then that's why they have those watches for parts of that California. And then it just goes off. So yeah. Look at the GFS. Oh, that's snowfall. Look at the GFS model tropical tidbits. This is an awesome site. You can see some snow there, parts of northern Washington by tonight. Let me actually scroll up just a little bit. There we go. By tonight. Then you can see just scattered snowstorms there. This is the one that the first wave, not as bad. And that second wave comes. Look at that. It brings some more snow for parts of Nevada. So yeah, parts of Nevada getting some snow. And then more heavy snow for parts of Idaho. Like I said, it goes in the west more. Oh, that was bad. It goes more into parts of Montana, Idaho. Yeah, it goes more into Montana than the last storm. Because the last storm didn't get past its line, but now it's going all the way over here. So yeah, more snow for that. More snow for Montana. Then you go to the snowfall. By tomorrow morning, you can see up to 2 inches already for parts of snow that Idaho. And let me just. And then if we go all the way to this is December 22nd. I don't want to go that far. This is Tuesday, so yeah. Let me go to Wednesday. All right, this is Wednesday, guys. This is Wednesday. So yeah, you can see up to 30 inches there, up to a foot in that area. It shows less snow for southern Idaho, so keep a close eye on that because it showed some more snow in Idaho and the other models. So, and then it shows up to 2 inches there for parts of Nevada. Less snow for western Utah. Really heavy there, up to 20 inches. So yeah, gotta keep a close eye on that, guys. Let me just see any new. No. Alright, guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. It was quite long because I just want to do every model to see what the average snowfall could be and see if there's a big difference for southern Utah and all that. Oh, just want to say there's actually still flood watches there because there's no flood watches there because it's past. But yeah, I just want to say if you're still in that little green, dark green, you're under flood watch. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are currently at 247 subscribers. We're 3 away from 250. And once I get past 250 subscribers, so if I get to 251, you guys can already start telling me if you guys want a shout out. Because once I get to 300 subscribers, I will do the shout out video. So 3 more subscribers, and you guys can start telling me if you guys want a shout out. So don't ask me right now. If you want a shout out, ask me after. So hope you guys had a wonderful day or a wonderful morning. Hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas break. And I might do it live later today because I'm going to do lives every Wednesday and Saturday, maybe Fridays, depending if there's a big storm. So yeah, I might do a live about this winter storm. So yeah, it might not have a name because it might be a little, not really. So yeah, a little too small for that. But hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for instant notifications. Bye.